absorb, adopt, avalanche, bamboo, bushy, carbon dioxide, coniferous, coyote, creature, crossroads, dam, destruction, distinctive, drain, dry out, ensure, flood, form, fur, glucose, granite, grub, guided canoe trip, hectare, iconic, identify, in trouble, ingredient, landscape, livestock, majestic, massive, meadow, migrate, mineral, mixture, monitor, mountaineering, movement, nestle, nutrient, otter, perform, photosynthesis, pipe, pond, project,
rare, relative,
restore, run out of something, rusty, scenery, sponsor, spread, structure, stunning, suck up, sunlight, support, survive, swampy, tag,
tail,
thick, threaten, track, turn into, underground, urgent, valley, volunteering program, waterfall, wetland, woodland,